Hello, and we're at Marriott's Grand Vista. Alright guys, we are trying out another MVW property. We are at Grand Vista, and that was our balcony. So we are floor level, like the first level. So it's not really a balcony, what do you call this? A deck maybe? So it comes with a chair and tables, and it likes to sit on the table. It is screened in, which is nice in Florida because the bugs are wild. Oh, and it looks like we might be facing like the golf course. But not bad. We're only here for a few days, so 2 nights, 3 days. So we got a studio room, and so this is a sleeper sofa. So you could technically fit for 5 people, 2 adults, 3 kids. You can probably fit that many here. Let me show you. We got the TV. We have some drawers, the cabinets. We have 2 end tables at the end of our bed, so that's good. Don't mind the noise. It's Mark's birthday, so I got balloons. He's not here yet, so I have a little bit before I can put them all out, but the AC just kicked in and blew them over. And seems where our fire extinguisher is, iron, extra sheets, blankets, security lock. This is most likely the add-on room. Yeah, so if you wanted to have some separation from the kiddos, but not enough where you can't hear them, you can get adjoining rooms. Okay, so it's like, okay. Oh, so the switches go for here. Oh, and that switches for the fan. Cool. So when you walk in, you actually walk in to a little kitchenette, which I really like. I love being able, I pack a lot of food and all our needs, and I like being able to have a little kitchenette at least. So there's a microwave here. Utensils, love. They did give us some soap. Do we have a laundry? Ooh, I was wondering if we were. Wasn't sure if the studio had laundry or not. I already lost 1 green balloon. The green balloons do not want to stay. So, nice mirror here right before you leave. Check yourself. Okay, cups, love. Coffee pot, probably be making coffee soon. Paper towels, ice bucket, cream and sugar, and teas here. And something to put like a hot pan on, but there's no stove here, so don't think we'll be needing that, but maybe from the microwave if it gets hot enough. So then we have, this is a locked door, so we don't have access to that. Here's our bathroom. Big light. It's a tub, so Emmett's gonna love that. You can play with his toys. Oh, these are different soaps. Soap box, sea mineral and blue iris conditioner, body wash, and shampoo, and they all have the same scent, which is funny because I felt like other Marriotts don't all have the same scent, from body wash to shampoo. Let's see what's in here. Extra towels, toilet paper, plunger. Seeing the, a blow dryer. Small little drawers. These are cute. Oh, and the semen or body lotion. So they really like this scent. So yeah, that was a quick room tour. Sweets usually take a little longer. So, but yeah, so far I like it. I'm gonna try to organize these balloons. Mark should be on his way. So I want to give him a little surprise. He didn't even know we were staying at the Grand Vista. I just texted him the address. So now he knows, and he should be here in a few minutes. Oh, by the way, room service is back here at the Grand Vista, which is nice. Look at these little tiny salt and pepper shakers. Aren't these adorable? Oh, you hear the door? You hear? Yes, he said hello. That's not our door. All right, let me hang these balloons. Okay. So Emmett's enjoying his TV. I'm gonna show you guys the map. We are in this pink area. So far it looks like all the buildings are color coded. And this would be our pool right here. So it is a smaller pool, he said, but if I chose to do room service, then we could get it actually sent to the pool, which I thought that was a cool touch. So we're in the Golf Village, which would make sense of why I can see the Gulf behind us. And then here we have the Club Village, and they have their own pool as well. And then it's the main village, which is near like the lobby. There's the pool is right here. It's a bigger pool. And then we have the West Village, and they look like to have their own pool as well. So each place has their own pool. There was a lighthouse building that he said is new, and right when we enter, and he said in that building you can get coffee, quick service things for breakfast if you'd like. So the building looks like that. So that's quick service stuff. You can get coffee in the morning, bagels, he said, maybe some muffins, things like that. And they do have a little boating area where you can boat in their like lake. And he says some of them even shoot water. So these look like the ones that shoot water. And here are some of the amenities. So the boathouse, where you can do the bumper boats, pontoons or kayaks, and fishing, poles rentals, and live bait. Okay, complimentary DVD rentals, which is always fun when you have kids and you're having a hotel day and they kind of just want to relax, pop a movie in. It's great. Crafts at your leisure. So they do have stuff a bunny, ceramics, and finger painting. Prices vary. That sounds fun. They have a fitness center, game equipment, foosball, paintball, basketball, volleyball, footballs, pickleball, and tennis rackets. Playgrounds. He did say that there was a playground right by our room here. So it's like where this bathroom is. He said that it would be right there. Happy birthday!
Hey! How you doing, honey? Mwah. You look beautiful as usual. Look at wow.
I wore all his favorite items.
I almost want to close the door and walk back in again.
Do it.
Do it. Ready?
Come in.
Wow.
I wore the earrings that he bought me. I'm having my hair down. That's his favorite. The dress he likes. Happy birthday.
Thank you. This is all I need. Everything else is a bonus at this point.
Okay, then you can go if that's all you need. No? Okay. Oh!
You gotta see my big boy.
Yes, of course.
Emmett! Oh, he's all messed up. Big boy! Hi!
Who's that? Daddy. Yeah.
Can I have a hug?
It's Daddy, yeah.
Oh, I love you so much. Pizza? I did not bring pizza, I'm sorry.
Do you want to say happy birthday, Daddy?
No.
I did ask you like that. Can you say happy birthday, Daddy?
Say happy birthday, Daddy.
Happy birthday.
Yeah. Oh, good job.
Can you say happy Father's Day?
Yay.
I know, it's yay. It's a good day.
Can you say happy Daddy's Day?
Happy Daddy Day.
Happy birthday.
Oh, okay. I'll take it. I'll take it. 2 happy birthdays is good.
All right, they also have the spa at the Grand Vista, and they said you can call. They do massages, facials, and nails. We talked about the boathouse, the Brew Coast Coffee, which is at that lighthouse, and then a new feature was Grand Vista Resort Photography, and you can call the number and they'll do photos all around the property. Really pretty photos, they said. The grill is their main hub for food, so they do breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I like that breakfast is until 11, in case you wanted to ever sleep in. That's kind of nice. Lunch is from 11 to 4, and dinner is 5 to 9. Delivery to your room, which is the So Happy room service is back, is from 5 to 9. So you can't do room service for breakfast. I would have really liked that. That's the one. Open daily is the Grand Co from 11 to 11 and the Copa Loca from 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. and it's a bar and grill. All right, guys. Do you want to talk on the video too? What do you want to say? Can you say hello? Can you say hello?
What?
Yes. Alright guys, so with that being said, stay tuned. We're gonna have more videos with the resort and other fun activities that I have planned for March. He's not in the room. And yeah, so I'm excited. Stay tuned for these videos. I'm very excited to get all this done. All new experiences. He's gonna love it. So stay tuned for more resort videos. We're gonna go visit all 4 pools and have a good time. We're gonna do breakfast in the morning at the grill. So yeah, I'm very excited. With that being said, like and subscribe. My name is Stephanie, and thank you for being a part of my world.